In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an epic in Jira on the cloud platform. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and navigate to the project where your epic resides. Once you're in the project, you want to direct your attention to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Issues. Clicking on Issues will take you to a dashboard where you can view all the issues related to your project, including epics, stories, bugs, and tasks. This area is where you'll manage individual aspects of your project, ensuring everything is tracked properly. Now that you're viewing the list of issues, the next step is to identify and click on the specific epic you wish to close. This is important because each epic represents a significant portion of your project, often encompassing several tasks and stories beneath it. Clicking on the epic will take you to a detailed view. Here you can see all the information associated with that particular epic, from descriptions to task lists and due dates. This is the central hub for understanding the progress and details of your epic. As you review the epic details, locate the field labeled Status. The status field is a critical element in Jira as it indicates the current stage of your epic in the project workflow. Within this field you'll see terms such as to do, in progress, or done, among others, depending on how your team has set up the workflow in Jira. To close your epic, you will need to change the status to a term that represents closure in your specific workflow. For most users, this will be done or closed. However, it's possible that your team uses a custom workflow. If that's the case, you might see an alternate term equivalent to closed, like completed or finalized. Simply click on the status field, select the appropriate closed status from the drop-down menu, and confirm your selection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully closed an epic in Jira Cloud. Remember, closing an epic means you've wrapped up a significant section of your project, and it's a great way to keep your project management organized and efficient. For further management, you can make use of Jira's reporting tools to track progress and ensure all parts of your closed epics have been addressed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Be sure to like, subscribe, or follow for more tutorials like this one, and leave any questions or comments you might have below. Happy project managing!